Hey, I'm Derek Perry with the American Coast Enthusiasts. We've got Adam here, Tony Clark, of course, Director of Communications at Cedar Point, and Jeff down at the end. And we are at Cedar Point for the opening of the boardwalk and the brand new Wild Mouse from Zamperla. And this is our first time on the ride. And Tony, you've been on it before, right?
Yeah, it's awesome. It's not raining. It's even better without rain.
This is awesome, and the view of the new section.
Whoa!
And the
Very mousy. Very mousy.
It's very nice. Very nice.
Down we go. Woohoo!
Unexpected forces there. And we're in the cheese car. The car thing. Wow. This is
okay.
Very spinny.
Okay.
This is good. This is good.
That was way more.
A lot more spins because it's a full car, do you think?
That was way more spinny than it ever. That was good.
That was awesome. I've never spun that much on a spinning coaster before, I don't think.
Well, you just did.
One of a kind.
You like it?
I love
it. Absolutely great.
Everyone loved it. Jeff loved it. And we are in the Cheddar car, and Cheddar makes it better. You know that?
It ain't gonna slide down easy if it ain't cheesy.
So everyone needs to come to Cedar Point this weekend. The park opens.
Yeah.
For 184th season.
No, 154th.
154th.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this spun my head. I'm not thinking clearly.
It's still a long time. 154 years, long time.
The second oldest continuously operated amusement park in the country, right?
In North America, yep.
That's awesome. And the new section is beautiful. Everyone needs to come to the park and check out the Grand Pavilion. The food is awesome. You love it. What did you tell them what you said?
Probably the best food I've had in a theme park.
Can you believe that?
There you go. There you go. The review's in.
Thank you for having Ace here. And we will be here all summer long ride.
And next year.
Oh, yes, we have to go back next year. Why do you think we have to come back next year?
I don't know. We might be building something.
We're keeping our fingers crossed. That was so much fun.
So much fun. It's a good ride.
It is.